Welcome to a chai classic recipe. Today, we'll be making a delicious and comforting cup of chai. Chai, which is the combination of spice and chai, is a popular beverage in India and is perfect for any time of the day. Let's get started. First, let's prep our ingredients. You'll need fresh ginger, milk, and a blend of spices including cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper, and nutmeg. For an authentic chai, you can also add a splash of condensed milk and some tea leaves. Now, let's get cooking. 1. In a saucepan, gently grate the 2 inches of fresh ginger into small pieces. 2. In a separate pot, pour 1 liter of milk and bring it to a boil. Be careful not to let it boil over. 3. Remove the saucepan from heat and stir in the ginger, then cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The ginger will release its flavor, and the milk will have thickened. 4. Remove the saucepan from heat and let it cool for a bit. 5. While the milk is cooling, let's prepare the spice blend. In a mortar and pestle, add the 2 heaping teaspoons of breakfast tea leaves, the ground spices, and a pinch of salt. 6. Grind the spices together until they form a fine paste. You can use a mortar and pestle, or you can use a spice grinder if you have one. 7. Once the milk has cooled, add the spice paste to the milk and stir well to combine. 8. If you prefer your chai with condensed milk, now is the time to add it. Stir in 2-3 tablespoons of condensed milk and give it a good stir. 9. Pour the chai into cups and serve immediately. Enjoy the warm, comforting flavors of a classic chai. And there you have it, a delicious chai classic recipe, perfect for any time of the day. Cheers!